In this lesson, we're going to look at a couple examples of buying on credit using loans. So Brad is buying a new truck. The truck is going to cost $48,799 plus 5% PST and 5% GST. So whatever province he's in has 5% PST. Brad is putting $4,000 down. The monthly payment on a 5-year at 7.2% loan is $988.40. So what is the total interest charged on the loan? So here's what we have. Brad has gone to a bank or his dealership. He's gotten a loan for 5 years. It's 7.2%. Each month he's going to pay $988.40. Here's what we have to figure out. The cost of the truck was $48,799 plus taxes. So the first thing we need to do is determine what the total cost of that truck was. So determine the taxes. Now, 5% PST and 5% GST is 10% tax. So we can just find 10% on our cost. So it was $48,799. We times that by 10%, and we get $4,879.90 in taxes. So he's got to pay almost $4,900 in taxes. So the total cost, if he was to pay it outright with cash, which he's not, would be $48,799 plus $4,879.90. So it's $53,678.90. That's the cost of the truck before you take out your loan. So we want to now determine what Brad will end up paying. So here's what we have. We've got 5 years monthly payments. So that's 5 years, and there are 12 months in a year. Each month, he is going to pay $988.40. But he also put $4,000 down. So right off the bat, he paid $4,000. We cannot forget to include that in our total. So we now do this calculation, and we find that he ends up paying $63,304 when all is said and done for this truck. So what is his total interest charge, or total interest? Sometimes we call it cost of credit. So because he was unable to pay cash for that truck, what does it end up costing him? So he ends up paying, in the end, $63,304. The truck itself, including taxes, was $53,678.90. So his cost of credit for this truck was $9,625.10. So it's something to think about. Is that worth it for you to have a new truck, to pay an extra $10,000 by financing that vehicle? Or can you go around, shop again, find your lowest possible interest rate that you can? Go to a couple of different banks, see what they're willing to give you. Find the lowest percentage rate. Here's another example. Wade is purchasing a trailer. The trailer is going to cost $12,585 plus taxes. Wade is going to take out a 3-year loan, 6.7% compounded monthly to pay for the trailer. The monthly payments are going to be $425.55. How much more is Wade going to end up paying for the trailer than if he purchased it with cash? So the same idea. Determine the taxes, or determine the total cost for this. So again, 5% GST, 5% PST, that's 10% taxes. So it costs $12,585. And we want to find 10% of that, which is $1,258.50. So we need to find the total of this trailer, including taxes. So we add those two numbers together. So the cost of the trailer is $13,843.50. So if he was able to pay in cash, that's what it would cost him. So now we're going to determine what Wade actually pays. So, 3 years, monthly. So 3 years, there's 12 months in a year. The monthly payment is $425.55. Wade did not put a down payment on, so there is nothing to add here. So we get a total of $15,319.80. So now we can determine the cost of credit. So the cost of credit, it cost him $15,319.80 by taking out a loan. The original cost was $13,843.50. So it ends up costing him $1,476.30. So again, you need to ask yourself, is it worth it to pay that much extra for this trailer? Now, if you need it for work and you've shopped around and 6.7% is the best interest rate you can get, then yeah, it's probably worth it. But if it's just a trailer that you're using for fun, maybe it's not worth it. So those are all things you need to ask yourself when you go to make purchases that you're going to have to finance using loans or credit. So you're now ready to go and try your practice questions.